back, Flare community. Today we're going to be looking at this bonus NFT which is going to get airdropped to holders of the DeLorean NFT, which is created by none other than Flare Finance. Now, this is very interesting and I can't wait to jump into the article, but before we do, I'd just like to remind everyone that we are very close to 40,000 subscribers. Now, what does that mean? Well, every 10,000 subscribers, I actually do a huge giveaway, and this one is going to be the biggest one yet. So if you're yet to subscribe, make sure that you do, because this one is one that is not to be missed. We're going to give away a decent wallet, 3 NFTs, and a lot of XRP, especially to members. So keep that in mind and make sure you're subscribed. So let's jump into some of the details. If you're yet to see the DeLorean NFT, here it is in all its glory. And as you can see here, there are 3,800 left for sale at 0.1 Ethereum each. Now, it may seem expensive, but this DeLorean NFT gives you access to much more than just the digital artwork. It allows you to essentially mint on the Flare Finance module, the HotDrop module, which is the 7th module of the Flare Finance platform. It's also going to be highly collectible, and we're going to find out why in a second. But before we do, I would just like to remind everyone that the option to pay by XRP has now closed. Now, some people had this option, and basically it was a way to circumvent some of the Ethereum gas fees. So when you're actually buying an NFT on the Ethereum network, you have to pay a fee because you're interacting with this smart contract, and that basically just changes the ownership and distributes some of the royalties and all that good stuff. Now, there's actually a cheaper way to transfer NFTs, and that's just by transferring ownership. You don't go through the buy process. And this was a way, as I said, for Flare Finance to reduce the fees and offer their user base a cheaper way to be able to purchase these NFTs. Now, it looks like they have somewhat of a backlog, so if you did use this method, just be patient. I'm sure they will arrive in your wallet soon. Something else that I would like to bring to your attention is this glitch, or this double burning. Now, for those of you who don't know, Flare Finance are actually burning 10% of the supply every single day. And yesterday, unfortunately for them, but fortunately for the holders of the DeLorean NFT, they actually burned 10% of the supply twice. So this essentially makes the NFT much rarer. Finally, before we jump into the article, I'd just like to bring to your attention this tweet here. Flare Finance have crossed over 500,000 in NFT sales in just over 2 days, and they remain the #1 seller in 24 hours on Rarible. Now, this is really exciting for me. They said, tag your favorite charity group below and retweet this tweet. The most tagged charity will receive 10% of all final sales. Very generous indeed. So if you do have a favorite charity, please feel free to comment on this tweet. For me personally, and for FTSO UK, we chose Cancer Research UK, which is basically just researching cancer, as the name suggests. So let's jump into the meat of this video, and let's check out the Medium article here. So, the very first hot drop. Flare Finance is very excited to announce that we have passed 1 million in total sales for our subscription NFT, the DeLorean. The sale initially began with 7,777 NFTs, and now under 5,000 remain, with more being burned every single day, and that's 10% as we mentioned before. With the above being said, we would like to announce the first upcoming bonus drop for DeLorean NFT holders. Holders of the DeLorean NFT will be provided with the right arm of Supaku NFT upon completion of the DeLorean NFT sale. This NFT resembles the reach, dedication, and growth of our team and community as a whole. And this is it here, and I'm wondering if it's going to be animated or just the still image. Either way, I think it looks great. The right arm of Supaku NFT is half of a two-piece set that offers unique benefits to the owner of both the left arm of Supaku, which is just a one-of-one NFT, and 10% of the circulating supply of the right arm of Supaku. Once a holder possesses both the left arm of Supaku and 10% of the circulating supply of the right arm of Supaku, they can claim the first piece of physical art from our collection dubbed Supaku's Awakening, an NFT and physical art series built around Flare Finance specific branding and content. And we're going to look at this physical artwork in a second, but I'd just like to stress that possessing 10% of the circulating supply of this right arm of Supaku is going to be extremely hard, and there's going to be a lot of competition. Now, as you get this airdropped for free, if you're holding the DeLorean NFT, you're going to be in a great position, and people are going to want to buy this NFT off you so that they can get this physical art. Now, the left arm of Supaku is just one of one, meaning it is extremely rare, and the competition to get this NFT is going to be extremely fierce. So let's look at the physical artwork itself, and here it is. I think it looks great. It's like a Terminator-esque style, and yeah, I think someone's going to be very lucky to get that, and I think it's going to be very expensive, especially trying to accumulate 10% of the supply and also one-of-one NFT. So, the left arm of Supaku NFT will be the very first HotDrop hosted on the Flare Drop platform. Users will be able to participate in this auction easily using any supported currency, and the user with the highest bid will take home the left arm of Supaku NFT. That, coupled with 10% of the right arm of Supaku NFT, will take home the sculpture. So it's going to be an auction for this one-of-one NFT, the left arm, and you know, I'll be very intrigued to see how high the price goes. I don't think I'll be in the running to buy it, but I wish everyone good luck who is interested in buying it. And yeah, I think the real challenge will come with the 10% of the right arm. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll be following this very closely. As you can see here, another sculpture, Terminator from the future. Additionally, after each bonus airdrop, a patch will be developed and sold by Flare Finance team, allowing for people who did not receive the NFT itself to purchase a physical representation of the bonus drop if they would like to do so. Below is an example of the very first physical representation of the bonus drop that can be purchased after the NFT airdrop is completed. So you can still own a little bit of physical artwork too, and this is just an example of that. So you can purchase your DeLorean NFT today and be on your way to earning bonus drop NFTs and receiving discounts on the upcoming NFT marketplace called Flare Drop. So from my perspective, and this is not financial advice, I will actually be trying to accumulate more than one of these NFTs to increase my holdings of the right arm NFT, which will hopefully increase in value as this one lucky person who holds the left arm will be looking to accumulate the right arm. Some very, very interesting mechanics behind this NFT, and I'm just very excited to see how this progresses. So that's today's video. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. The 40,000 subscriber giveaway is happening either tonight or maybe even tomorrow. We will see when we reach that milestone. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.